Hello and welcome to another wilderness tamed video. Do you remember a few months back I did one about pruning hydrangeas? Well, this is the result. Lots of healthy green growth, not a massive amount of flowers, but we did give it a good pruning, which it hadn't had for quite some years. So I'm sure in forthcoming years it will continue to produce more flowers. There's still some buds to come away on it. So all in all, not looking too shoddy. I'm quite pleased with that. So yes, I'm sure in a few years' time it'll start looking better and better. We won't have to prune it quite so hard in next spring, but there'll be another catch-up video. Stay tuned. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.